Ma yɛnhwɛ sɛnea obe recover vMix 28. Hwɛ sɛnea shortcut no ayɛ ɛwɔ ha sɛ. It means sɛ wobi a mbie antivirus no ɛna delete crack no. Wa quarantine no osusu sɛ ɛyɛ ade a ɛbɛha o computer no. Nanso no ɛnha computer no. Yɛhwɛ sɛnea wobɛyie free baby antivirus no ɛde akɔtɔ no na afei asan so aba back to normal. Sɛ wokɔ o Windows menu hɔ a na wa search for virus and threat protection. Click so. Na afei click protection history. Protection history. Eba se ya brasye. On some watchers say threat quarantined. Click it, baby, and watch high no. Na click it, yes. Ebe be say ya bro. O click it on the action app. Answer no be click action impo no. O de say o read ya. Oba hu some watch vMix ewo ho. So, any. It means to say watch vMix no e de sie. Inti action no. O click action so a. Now I click on restore. Now I click on yes. Ebeba say afi uhu action ni biem. Let's just say wa restore vMix no. Okay. Yenhwe other one na da se ha no. High na da se ha no so. Click so. Okay. vMix no restore de wa ha say. Inti on say uhu say action no ewo ho. It means say I restore. You best also go back to your desktop ho. Ni akohwe say no aye normal ana say open vMix 28 na aye unlimited no. Obe install crack na aye perfect between the aye streaming or production in na pepepe na. Obe send a DM and I say obe video description na say obe YouTuber na fe wa click link na so na wode a download the vMix 28 no. Okay, inti yanko desktop ho. On say me refresh your computer no. Afi vMix no aba normal. Ti se me bia ebebi pepepe. Sa wode no antivirus no ye no. O ma ne da ho che ya. O metimi delete. Se delete na obi na onya error bi se ya. Sanso run vMix no foforo. Uninstall vMix no. Ne delete free program files in kra. Na sign install in biem. Enti yen go through the process. Obako add or remove. Now I search for the file no vMix. Or click also. Now I click on install. Sign click beam. Yes. Yes. After uninstall any one can ho ni nyina. After yanko drive C folder nim. Say over C drive ni mo now I call program files and I say program files 64 na 86 depending inti obehwe sa folders ni mu nyina so obehu vMix e oba komu a impempi no aya na ewo x86 nim media no ha say any vMix ni nie to be delete folder no cra delete yes because say ye bi e nche ye nti no e pese ye restart computer no inti we restart your computer no why say we restart your computer na we a delete vMix folder no I mean delete social and some can. Yes, I'm going to reinstall it. I'm going to turn it off antivirus no. So you call virus. Now I clicking on manage settings. Now I turning it off. Minimize it no. Now yes, I'm going to install it vMix in the back into the installation folder name. The way extract here no. Ubi a crack and I say a delete here. Don't worry. Delete this folder way way. Delete it na sign extract say file na we download here no. Into be right click so. No I call extract files. O click okay be extracted. Afi send be a folder na extracted no. Once afi crack ni wo copy. Afi ko desktop ho no mo. Right click e wo vMix ni so. Neko open file location. Ne paste what I say. Replace. Click it. Replace in this one. Continue. After close it. Refresh it. Ne be a vMix no. Say when who say after die ABA. Ma men sure ni obeya. What be protective vMix no cry forever. Antivirus no. On delete beam de biarada. Okay. Call virus and threat protection ho. Baby a tiny antivirus in off no. Okay, say we can turn it on, but try answer. Scroll down cry. Never baby a watch raw exclusions no. Click add or remove exclusions. Now click yes. click add an exclusion so. Na click folder, click on the drive C. Maybe a program file no be a vMix folder no. Either 86 and as x64. Obia no ahwehwe vMix any click vMix ne so. Na click on select folder. After waiting you go back, I turn the antivirus on. Until o click virus and threat protection I say so. O manage setting where waiting turn the antivirus on. Na we close no. That is all. After you start say you see vMix no antivirus no and delete BBNC. When you software na no send a DM. So watch my YouTube share video description ni na click a link and so never download the vMix 28 software no. But that's it.